Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm at the Lalit Kala Academy. I have the artist with me, Gunjan ji. So it's over to Gunjan now.
Hi. So my exhibition is called the Botanical Tapestry. I am a textile designer also. So I do works a lot. I do works with a lot of embroidery in it. Re- I do embroidery on paper. And my other strength is cyanotype. That's my signature collection. I do a lot of cyanotype works. And my exhibition is called Botanical Tapestry. The whole theme is botanical and flowers, and it shows how flowers have importance in our life in different ways. How we indulge with flowers. So this collection you see at the back is called Love Bloom. This talks about love, how we relate to flowers as a red rose and keep them very safely in our memories as a first love, and it has a magical feeling when you go back and look at your memories. So if you see this artwork, it shows the pressed flowers when you keep in diaries and you open and you see that. So
You try to preserve them.
you preserve them as memories. Yes. So all of them are brimming with a lot of love and seeds you'll see. So these are the seeds that you're dispersing. You're very full of love and very potent in love.
So
So
this is all thread work.
this is thread work, a lot of hand embroidery, and hand punching if you see a wholesale.
Before we met, so somebody told me all about this.
Okay.
And he also took me to the other section.
Yes.
He told me about those flowers,
Yeah.
blooming and jo thode murjha rahe hain.
Mulchare, that one, the sculptures that you
So
see.
when did you start your journey into the art world?
It's been more than 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so-
You were from Allahabad. So
I'm from Allahabad. I have done my PhD in visual arts. I've been in the field of education for around 25 years, and I do everything related with art. I write. I'm a art critic myself, and yes, practicing art and all the.
what's your next show coming up and where is it?
Very soon, I'll not be able to tell you details right now.
We'll
but
take it later.
December.
Yeah,
Yeah.
anything else you want to share with the people, the
Um,
viewer,
Just that, come and see the show, connect with. I mean, there's lots to think about when you look at it, and lots to share within yourself and reflect within yourself how small thing as a flower, can go so deep in your memories and your life.
I remember seeing all this, our dadis, nanis, our mother. Crochet, is it crochet? No, this one. No, this one. What do you call that frame?
Frame is called embroidery frame. It's like it's an embroidery
used to
frame.
have it,
Yeah. It
the
reminds.
ladies used to be doing
Yes,
that.
needlework. So
And I lived in Bombay, so in Bombay even we did all this.
yes.
voiceover also taught.
Yes, SUPW.
So, thank you and Gunjan. So this exhibition is over at the Lalit Kala. It's up till the 3rd of November, and the timings are from 11 to 7. Right? So please visit here. And this is you can come to the Mandi House. It's near to the metro station. Thank you so much.